I found a trick in this amazing AI video maker that lets you create unlimited videos for free, and almost no one is talking about this tool yet. If you've ever tried AI video generators, you know how expensive they are. Their credits disappear faster than you can say, generate, and most free plans cap you at just a handful of clips. Today I'm breaking that cycle. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how I turn one still image into unlimited, studio-quality videos without spending a cent. By the end, you'll be making eye-catching reels, ads, and story posts, on demand, on budget, on loop. Ready? Fire up your browser and follow along step by step. Let's make your first free AI video right now. To make a video with this tool, we first need an image. I'll use a super simple way to make that in a minute using ChatGPT just to show you the process. So, open ChatGPT. Let's type in something simple like, generate a scene of a man playing with his dog. I'm keeping it plain for now, just to get a base image to work with. Now, click this little plus icon right here, and select Create Image. This makes sure ChatGPT doesn't reply with a long text answer, it just generates the picture for us. No back and forth, no extra fluff. Cool, there's our image. This one is simple on purpose so I can show the process quickly. But listen, this is where you can really level up your results. If you spend a tiny bit more time on the prompt, you'll get way better images. For example, to get better cinematic images, you can be specific about the setting, indoors, outdoors, park, living room, studio. Add time of day and mood, golden hour, soft morning light, cinematic, warm tone. Describe motion or vibe, playful, energetic, joyful. Mention camera and even style words, cinematic, 35mm lens, shallow depth of field, high detail. Alright, step 2. Time to turn that image into a moving, high-quality video. We're using a less popular and highly underrated platform called Magi AI. In your browser type magi.san.ai and you'll land on this login page. Click on Sign Up. Alright, listen up, here's the trick that makes this whole method work long-term. Don't use your main email. Instead use a temporary email, but not just any temporary email, use this one specifically. Open a new tab and go to temp-email.org. It is because most other temp email providers don't rework with this AI tool. You'll see a random email address generated right here. Copy it. Paste that email into Magi AI, set a password, and complete the sign-up form. Now switch back to the temp email tab. Let's hit refresh and give it a few seconds. You should get a verification email from Magi AI. Open the email, click Verify. That's it, you're in. You'll see your dashboard, and you should have credits ready to go. Perfect. Click Create New Project. Now, click here to upload the image we made in step 1. There it is. You should see your image is loaded in a canvas like this. Now this is where we animate it. Click on the image. You'll see these options. Let's first write the prompt. You can either write your own simple prompt like, a man playing with his dog, or use ChatGPT to write one. Now paste in your prompt. Let's set duration to 5 seconds and variations to 3 and hit generate. While the videos are generating, a quick mindset tip, sometimes you might not get a perfect result in the first attempt. That's normal. You can tweak your prompt and repeat the process, and in fact it is an essential skill of the modern world. That's what you'll have to learn eventually, how to tweak your prompts to get what you exactly want or to tell AI what you want from it. This is not a case with just this tool, but any AI platform out there requires you to prompt it in a way to get what you want. Alright, our generations are ready. You'll see all the versions here in the canvas. Quickly preview them one by one. Watch for clean motion, minimal warping on faces or hands, and whether the action matches the vibe of your prompt. If something feels off, like jittery limbs or a weird background flicker, no stress. Note it, and you can regenerate later with a tiny prompt tweak. Download any one you like, with smooth motion, nice lighting, and with the motion you need. Now, when you open the video, you'll notice a small watermark in the bottom right corner. Totally expected. You've got 2 easy options to remove it. Fast option, crop the frame if that corner isn't important. This works great when the action stays centered and the edges are clean. Clean option, use an AI watermark remover. There are tons out there, you can use any. I usually use VMake AI. Head to VMake.ai. Click on Text and Watermark Remover. Upload your video. It takes around a minute. And done. The watermark is gone, and it looks clean. VMake lets you download up to 5-second clips for free, which is perfect for the duration we set earlier. Grab the clean version and save it. Lately, a bunch of users have been getting an error when uploading images in Magi AI. I'm seeing it too. Watch this, I'm uploading an image like normal, we wait a bit, and boom, request failed with status code 504. Annoying, right? Here's the good news, even when this error pops, the image usually still uploads to Magi's servers in the background. It just doesn't refresh the UI properly. So let me show you the workaround that fixes this in one go. First, head back to the main dashboard and click on Assets. Now here's the trick, duplicate this tab as many times as the number of images you want to upload. So if you need 5 images, duplicate this Assets page 5 times. As we duplicate, you'll start to notice something. That earlier, failed upload begins to appear here in the assets list without you doing anything. That's exactly what I meant, the files were actually received by the server, the front end just threw a 504 while waiting. Now, in each duplicated assets tab, upload one image. Don't rush it. Just trigger one upload per tab, and let them sit. Give it 2 to 3 minutes. You can switch to other work in the meantime. What'll happen is, each tab may still show that same 504 error after a while. But right after those errors, flip back to any assets tab and you'll see the uploaded images showing up one by one. There we go. All uploads are here. No retrying the same file 10 times, no guessing. Now select each of the images you just uploaded and click Create a new project. Magi AI will load them into a single canvas. From here, you can select an image, set your prompts, durations, and generate like normal, exact same flow as before. This trick also works on RunwayML. I'll show it super fast so you can add another option to your toolkit. Head over to runwayml.com. You'll see this landing page. Click Get Started. It asks for an email. We'll use the same idea as before. Open temp-email.org, copy the temporary email address. Paste it in Runway. Enter a username and a random password. Hit Next. Type your name, next again. Now it wants a verification code. Jump back to your temp email inbox, open the message from Runway, copy the code. Paste the code here, click Validate, just skip, and on the onboarding screen just click Continue. Great, this is the dashboard. Click on Tools, then choose Video. Click Select Asset. Upload an image you want to animate. In the prompt box, write what you want the motion to do. I'll keep it simple for the demo, woman walking, the camera zooms in on the bag. Hit Generate. While writing the prompt you can get way more descriptive with camera moves, mood, pacing, or lightning. I'm keeping it minimal so you can see the flow. It usually takes a few seconds, sometimes a minute depending on load. Let it cook. Here we go, our clip is ready. Let's play it back. The motion tracks what we described, the character walks, the camera pushes in toward the bag, clean, on brief. To save it, click this small download button right here. Runway adds a small watermark too, same story as before. You can get rid of it using the method I shared before in this video. Hit like if you found a new trick today, and subscribe so you don't miss the new deep dive AI tutorial next up. Go make something awesome, and comment down when you post. I want to see what you build. See you in the next one.